The English puzzle we're going to solve today is taken from a poem that I recently read for the Let Me Read to You series. It is called The Pomegranate by Eavan Boland. Here are the lines we're going to examine today. She put out her hand and pulled down the French sound for apple and the noise of stone. At first, when I read these lines, I felt a bit confused, but upon thinking about it a bit more, I have analyzed it, and I hope to share this analysis with you so that you can enjoy this poem at a greater depth. The French sound for apple essentially refers to the French word for apple, which is la pomme. In French, apple is la pomme. And you can see the connection immediately. Pomegranate begins with a sound that's very similar to the French word pomme. And then there is the noise of stone. Noise here is just another word for sound, which is another word for pronunciation as far as we're concerned. Stone, what kind of stone, is related to the sound of pomegranate? Well, there is granite. Conveniently, granite is a type of stone that is often used in construction. It's very easy to find granite in the buildings that you visit. In English Ever After, my membership community, we have been working on a lot of puns. And if you don't know what a pun is, it's a kind of wordplay that creates amusement based on words that share similar sounds or appearances. While this isn't quite a pun, the knowledge that you gather from working on puns can help you solve a mystery like this. And to make it even more interesting, the fact that the apple is mentioned can be quite fascinating because in the story of Adam and Eve from the Bible, the apple is often another name for the forbidden fruit that Eve took a bite out of. And this forbidden fruit is also known as the fruit of knowledge. Taking a bite from this fruit often represents the end of innocence, or the coming of age in this case, in the context of the poem, The Pomegranate. If you haven't heard a reading of this poem yet, let me read to you.